Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to make a name tag. So you can create box and then I will resize into 3 millimeters. Then resize again for the height like this. And the next you can set for the radius. I will change steps into maximum. Now we can create the box object hole. I will click at this point. Then you can move into the objects, change into top view, and we can resize. We'll move here. Just again at this for the width and also in it. Can duplicate again this object. Then I will move into here. Then resize. Okay, by clicking from this point, this 3 millimeter, and move to another side, make it more long. And then you can select these all objects. But first I will duplicate this hole. Then click duplicate. And then we can select these 2 objects. Use rule tools. We can move into one. And press enter. We'll select one of these objects. And then you can hide by clicking this icon. Now you can select all. And then you can make group to cut the object. The next you can unhide. You can click at this drop down menu and then click the unhide, show the hidden shape. Like this. And then I will select this object. You can resize like into 1 millimeter. And then in it you can move into this point. After it, we can select again, edit all. But first in here I will set for the width. You can change into top view. Then I will move a bit in here to 1 millimeter. And the last, select these all objects and you can group again. It will be automatically cut the object. Now we already create this basic name tag with TinkerCAD software. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.